How does a dull doll hop in a hot hut by the bug with tons of bug? Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Learning with Teacher Kai. Today we are going to continue our phonics practice. This time we are going to focus on two vowel sounds. We have short O, as in octopus, and short U, as in umbrella. You would notice that when we say it's like somebody punches you on your gut, like And so let's move on with our practice. Doll. My daughter loves the doll you gave her. Doll. Doll. Your face glowed in the dull lamplight. Doll. Bug is a muddy, wet ground too soft to support a heavy body. Bug. It's springtime. Expect to see lots of bugs flying around you. Bug. Cop. A cop's job is to make sure that everyone is safe. Cop. Cup. The cop asked for a cup of coffee. Cup. Fond. She is very fond of my little baby boy. Fund. Please help us raise funds for our scholarship project. Fund. Cut. Please take a nap on that blue cut. Cut. Please help me cut my bangs. Cut. Hot. Please be careful. The water is too hot. Hut. I miss sleeping in a nipa hut. Lock. Please do not forget to lock the door. Lock. I am so glad luck was with me during the raffle. I got the first prize. Look. Not. Sorry, I am not interested. Nut. I love eating nuts for snacks. Nut. Got. I want to join Pinoy Got Talents. Gut. Ouch! Somebody punches me on my gut. Rot. You just left the fruits to rot. Stop wasting food. Rot. Rut means a habit or pattern of behavior that has become dull and unproductive, but is hard to change. Rut. There you go, guys. I hope you had fun learning the short O and short U sounds with Teacher Kai. For your homework, you have to record yourself reading these words and tongue twister. Please make sure to turn in your answers not later than March 26th, 11:59 p.m. Philippine time. This time we are following Philippine time, so we will not be confused as to when is the deadline to submit your homework. Again, friends, I hope you continue to support Learning with Teacher Kai. You don't just learn, you also earn. So, turn in your homework answers for a chance to win in our weekly raffle draw. Again, remember, let's build a word, one word at a time. Bye-bye, and God bless. Mwah.